So good morning again, everybody. Welcome back to the channel where you get a little of everything Jamaican. We're here with Mr. Bennett, of course, this morning. And you know, Mr. Bennett is no stranger to us. And he's going to just demonstrate to us how he digs his yam hills when he is going to do it. So stick and stay. Thank you so much to all our subscribers, new subscribers. We thank you for being here. Those persons who have been here with us, you know, from long time. Big up to you and thank you so much. All right. So yes, Mr. Bennett.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're in for a long haul because Mr. Bennett don't dig small yam hill. So, so it will take a little while.
Holy na. Yam na. Yam.
Sweet yam.
Sweet yam.
So Mr. Bennett,
Yes, ma'am.
just around this time, it's really dry because we're really having no rain.
All around.
Right. But you're so blessed. You're on a soil that, you know, regardless of whether or not it rains, you can dig it easily.
In not dig easily. True time is dry. It's very hard. You can ram this with the fork.
Okay.
You like how I'm on my knee now. I will able to yam there, son.
Yeah. Yes. Oh wow.
Yam there, sweet yam.
You sweet yam, did it?
Sweet here.
Oh, so you may have dug it up and just put that, or you never did that one yet?
In a big one.
Oh.
It's a hand no good, you know. It's a hand thin hand.
No, Mr. Bennett. No such thing.
How?
But you use it, man. The hand.
Yes, using it.
It's challenging, but you do it.
The yam this now.
It's a big one. You want some help? What you want, Mr. Bennett? The stick behind you?
When take you.
Oh, okay. All right. Seem like a big one for true.
A big man.
Yeah.
No yam gone down there. The girl no come see this.
Yeah. It was waiting for us, Mr. Bennett.
Look so.
Wow. If it really got right down. So Bennett, you're so blessed. You intended to dig a yam hill, but you instead you dig yam. Oh wow.
Yeah.
So guys, I know you might be wondering, how come we not help Mr. Bennett? But if you know Mr. Bennett well, like we do right now, Mr. Bennett don't need no help, right, Mr. Bennett? We like to do things a particular way.
Yes.
Right, so even when Marcel said, Mr. Bennett, let me help you, I'm like, nope. I can do it. I can't wait to see what this looks like.
You?
Yeah.
A big yam, man.
Yeah, it looks big.
A big yam. Sister B.
So, Mr. Bennett, just for our viewers and the subscribers, just to let them know that, you know, you would have gotten your leg, but
Yes.
you don't talk to us about that because you were explaining to us why you're not wearing it on the farm.
No, I would wear it on the farm.
Yes.
Because really how I see the leg important to me.
Yes.
I don't want it dirty up.
Okay. That's
And
one.
It would be convenient for me to wear the legs in the garden.
Yes. Because you were saying that you get around much faster on the farm, you know, like how you're used to doing it.
Yes. If I can give a lick to your head, you spell God.
Let me stay a little bit away. Wow. Wow,
See?
look at that. Oh my goodness.
God.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, keep us in suspense, you know, Mr. Bennett.
Eh?
Yeah, keep us in a suspense, man.
Is that?
Yeah, because we want to see it. Yeah. And this year, Mr. Bennett has no fertilizer whatsoever.
No.
Mr. Bennett, you don't use any fertilizer.
No, sir. No fertilizer.
No fertilizer. All you do is to weed the grass and put it in the yam hill. And that breaks down. And is used to plant the yam, of course. Oh my. Oh. Oh my.
Yeah, till we come. Thank you. Until we come.
Oh my God, you're talking to the goat, Mr. Bennett.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my, so guys, you see that this yam is going all the way down. Oh wow.
Go to me. I don't mean no. February.
It's March now.
March.
Yes, today is March 1.
March 1 today.
Yes.
Okay.
You didn't know?
Remember,
Okay.
you only pay attention to the ground.
Yes. Understand.
The other one that I did there, you know, when I was trying to call you,
Yeah.
the one that I was digging another tree there, it big.
Oh, that's the sweet yam you were telling us about this morning?
Yeah,
Oh,
it big.
okay. You were trying to call me, you didn't get me?
Didn't get you.
Uh-oh.
No, me, no, Rockcliffe.
Yeah.
But
So,
him busy.
yeah. So we missed that one, but somehow, you know, it's a miracle because you dig in a yam hill and you actually end up finding a sweet yam in the dirt. So that's
dirt,
wonderful. So we didn't miss anything, Mr. Bennett.
The only thing that I miss, you didn't have the piece of sweet yam there for your dinner Sunday.
That we miss. Oh my gosh.
Bennett never go down there so last year.
Not at all.
Never good on us last year.
I'm sending you down there now.
that I'm here one next Bobby around the place.
Yeah?
4 years in the dig.
4 years?
4 years in the dig.
Oh my gosh. So can you imagine
You
what
can
that...
imagine around there now?
yeah, that must...
Get a backhoe if you take out that.
One on backhoe. Backhoe will
Mash it
mash
up.
See there?
Still can't move it. Oh,
Can't
no,
move
Mr.
it.
Bennett, I think it gone much further down.
You do down there, but
Okay. Make sure you don't touch Mr. Bennett yam.
close to you.
We can throw it Yandy.
You go on grave.
No grave.
Yam grave, yam grave.
Yam grave, man.
Oh, okay.
Yam grave.
Tough, huh?
Tough man. Said this is a sailor. And you know, easy.
So the dry is taking a toll on the soil now. Yeah.
No man. You have to dig more.
Oh, wow.
You want me to dig around, Mr. Bennett?
In the ground, dig it, go on.
Oh my gosh.
Tired of myself.
Coffee tired.
You tell me you depend for nothing.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Like Ernest would say, life is just for living. So you believe that? All is well like that. Life is just for living.
Oh my God. Are you singing, Mr. Bennett?
Huh?
You're singing right now.
Life is just for living. Life is just for living.
Oh my God. Life is not just for living,
Hey,
Mr. Bennett.
Living. You better work to
Yes.
keep life to be a living.
That song they listen right now.
But life is...
They hear this song.
Mr. Bennett, not easy
Sing.
at all.
They believe all is well.
Yes, and life is just for living.
Just for living. Life is for working
Yeah.
to what you want to achieve.
Yes, absolutely. You sure you don't want to go wider with it, Mr. Bennett? Like, you know,
Jamie.
because,
Yes.
yeah, going the, not
Jamie
there.
and Bristol.
No, Mr. Bennett. You know, don't get. You know why I make my broken, you know?
Will you tell Mr. Bennett, Sir Marcel? Oh,
Not jerky, not jerky, so no.
Not
You have to
jerky.
take out the dirt. Yeah, you have
you have to clean out the dirt.
Where me shovel?
Let me go.
Don't want to see you. Get away.
Run, Satan.
Run him. Don't fucking come near you. Some of them with the demons from hell come molest you. Run him away. No stand away there. When he got to Jesus, he said, "Get behind me, Satan. Get behind me."
Oh, wow.
Cherish him. Love him up.
Mr. Bennett. You notice a different style this
Yes, man.
Yes, it looks,
ma'am.
it has a different color. It looks richer.
Yeah, man. Mr. Bennett not come at them a place, yeah.
So, Mr. Bennett, we're actually digging down into a hole right now because of how big the yam is.
So how big the yam is. This don't dig out for about 2 years. No.
Just
Imagine
about
that.
if you're not doing it, Mr. Bennett.
Jam the fat there.
Okay.
Right here.
Oh, wow.
And say if you can up, down, go down.
Oh, wow.
Jam it here. Jam it. Down here.
This I am here confused, the ground. You get it?
Oh, my gosh. It have...
I want to take out the fork, you know, Mr. Bennett, because when it broke, I don't want nobody say I'm broke it.
Ah, who I say so? Mr.
And
Bennett.
it's a broke already, you know.
See.
It's a broke already.
hear it?
How you know?
It's at the back there.
So don't brace it anymore. Try to get away.
I don't, I go with the fork.
Do to right there, so. Right. Round there, so. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Why did say I made there feel life?
Can you imagine?
Go on.
You have to do an x-ray on him, man. You see where they Side clear, just foot.
There's a point. I want you.
You see the point, Mr. Bennett?
See.
You can't see it.
Point
Gone
gone
in
in.
already.
Gone in already.
It looked like, no, so it looked like it gone way down more.
It's a minute.
Yeah.
We want to dig this wider so we can take out the dirt easy.
But from which end would you
Just
dig
dig
it?
right round.
Like to be Mr. Bennett's side as well.
Yeah.
I think it long, it just go right down. It look like a tree root.
Mr. Bennett, this never did at the yamil.
No, man, it pass. It
No.
pass.
Up here say yamil did they?
Yeah, but it went plant and
the foot of the hill.
foot of the hill.
Oh.
You say me take out me one couldn't take out CD.
No.
This is a miracle
I
yam.
don't take out it. Try your one.
So Mr. Bennett, the one you dug before, the one you were calling me and you didn't get me, that one went down as far as this
Lord
one?
God, me fully all the grass was weed over there, so
Mm-hmm.
I hit come
Right.
out. All of the grass gone back in the hole.
Yeah? Oh, wow. Yeah.
Say if you can jump right there, so.
Oh, wow. Marcel, I think you should take off some more of the dirt towards Mr. Bennett's side, like, and maybe you get a little, yeah.
No, man.
You don't want no more of that?
No trouble this.
Okay.
What we interested in
Is getting the yam out. You're the expert, Mr. Bennett. Oh, Lord.
We have one round the bush there.
Mm-hmm.
Round behind the house. Down to the gully.
Backward work that Mr. Bennett.
No.
That's the 4-year one you're talking about, Mr. Bennett? Oh, my God.
The one where you go get piece of cook it tonight. This evening.
What should I cook it with?
Mackerel.
So, Mr. Bennett, you know, you're going to give me high blood pressure, you know.
Or mackerel. Maybe my game mackerel.
Or you're going to
Big guy mackerel.
Mr. Bennett. And what else if you cook it with apart from mackerel?
Try this out. No, man, no mackerel.
Mackerel. All right. Salt mackerel.
The so-called salt mackerel, good.
Okay.
Not much bone.
You eat a lot of mackerel, Mr. Bennett?
No, man.
Okay.
I eat it the way the wife cook and give me.
Okay.
Never know see this a yummy did it.
Oh,
Yes,
no,
they
it's not
come.
shaking, huh?
It fasten
Yeah.
down with the fog.
Mm.
Soon come out now.
Yeah. Oh, my gosh. It's shaking now?
Just the top.
Yeah, just.
Bottom not dig.
You have to go some.
Seriously?
See, God.
It not shake. It gone down a lot more. It's just the top that's shaking.
Go and shake it. Man, you
You're
fire.
not dropping that hole.
So when it is very undone.
I tell you.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, dig a grave like this, eh?
Jerky. You broke it off.
Yeah, because it's free up.
It's a free up.
It looks like it's
Coming.
yeah.
Coming.
Yay. Oh, my gosh.
See see that the ratoon this, you know?
Aye, see,
These are the one from last year.
last year.
Oh.
This dig, it's not done. It's not done digging.
Oh, so this would be the one that actually bear last year.
Last year.
And then that in there now would have come off of this.
But you see this are from last year too, you know?
That's from last
it's
year.
rotted. Mm-hmm.
Jesus. So Benny. Food on there. Go ahead,
That's good.
Wow.
People just roll this off. Near to the yam. Aye, good.
Two, you know, Mr. Bennett?
A two. Mm. Little lad just sent me the red spot this morning.
Yes, I believe so too.
Bless you. Yeah, so. More blessing.
Couldn't take out for me one.
It probably take you maybe 2 days. Dig and come back, come dig some more.
First I see them up.
Just imagine you dig a yellow yam. Go down there, sir.
Yellow yam wouldn't go so far.
Yeah.
You wouldn't go so far?
These yam beer fast at jam around the sun.
Okay.
And under the soil good. Jam around the sun. You can get to jam.
Yeah, run here, sir.
And the pint fastened in now.
Mr. Bennett, you know, dig halfway of this yam yet.
I think we soon reach it.
Yeah, that's what you think.
I tell you.
Just watch.
Whoa.
Aye.
Let's see. You bored up?
You mind your
That's all?
follow.
You know, drop Mr. Bennett.
You know, say, this young lady,
What a yam. I forgot go down in the wall, Mr. Bennett.
me, I have to go good in there.
No, I'm going to go down in
No, you can't go in there now.
the sure.
Oh my word.
Nah, broken man.
You get to come along to dry out.
The talking construction, you know, Brazil a lot. Baku, come along is construction or cars, vehicles.
Come along.
Yeah.
Construction.
Construction.
Oh.
Garage.
You do mechanic work?
For myself, Mr. Bennett.
Oh,
Do you have to wonder, Mr. Bennett, you want to come with them construction tool on the farm? Because
Excuse me, Mr. Bennett, me come on.
I think, yeah.
Me come on.
good.
Go back up a little bit, Mr. Bennett.
Aye.
How you going to do this? You going into the hole?
Well, if you see what I'm going down
Oh, so you're going on your knees now? Okay.
You're a professional tiler.
Yeah.
Should I am?
It gone all the way down, not true?
Tell you.
That's why I'm thinking you should be digging a little bit wider, going down, so it not looks so
I
narrow.
go did come right out here, so. Right out here, so.
Yeah?
But we want to get out the yam.
First.
Mr. Benny teach me, you know. You see me there on my knees. Prayer time.
Prayer time.
Yeah.
Me take a little at this, then you can see the corner for you. Aye.
So the top shaking, the bottom not shaking at all.
No,
This guy, this, may I take out this one?
it's just, see, when me clean we yes or no, it give him leverage.
Okay.
See, get around.
That one. Oh, look at that.
Good.
Told you. I was gonna tell you.
Nice.
Dig round here, so. Round here, so. That's it.
That is it.
Come on.
You have to come around this side now.
Aye.
Yeah. Not yet. Almost there.
Come on.
Yeah?
Yeah, see there? Watch.
Yay! Finally.
Aye.
Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
yes,
Where's I put it over here?
Put him over here, so. Yeah.
Wow. Look at that, man. All the way down into a hole.
See the old one here, you know? Hold on.
Boy, Mr. Bennett. How much you think that weigh, Mr. Bennett? So tall.
Weigh about 15 pounds.
We mash it. Now make you see Mrs. do.
Nice.
Wait. Oh, yeah. You get down this. So you see, when you go down there, a beer softness in my guena.
Because by then it break down, Mr.
Right. Then we fuck now.
Yeah, put more trash.
Yes.
But not yet.
Right up, Mr. Benny.
You're tired, Mr. Bennett?
No. At 5 and 6 o'clock when we go by evening time, you know.
Yeah. a start now. It's just like 11 o'clock
All right.
in the morning, of course.
I bet you'll tell me why the reason me make you throw them the trash down this.
Because of the you're plant the sweet yam.
No.
It's mulch.
More. So I'm sure that can grow in there. Eh?
Oh,
It can grow in there. So,
yeah.
so you take off the topsoil
Yeah.
Not sure on it.
and when you go lick mono, you put on the topsoil.
Yeah.
You see that hide? But if we had to be dirty down the coop.
Okay. So you sort of lay it a bit because you're going to put the mulch, then the dirt, then you're going to put some more mulch.
Yes. See, yes, sir. We didn't dig.
Okay.
So you see hard soil? I love farming. I love the way how I stay.
Yes.
Mm.
You can see that you love it, Mr. Bennett.
Yes.
To ask a question about that.
All right, Miss Lovely to person, you know,
Okay.
because when I fully appear, sweet yam.
So, Mr. Bennett, had it not been for you finding the sweet yam in this hill this morning, you wouldn't dig it so deep.
No, Nicky.
Yeah.
All right, the trash them know, the trash.
Alright. Mr. What kind of head, Mr. Bennett?
Hard yam. You want one?
The head?
You want one to eat?
To eat?
Eat.
Well, yeah.
You can take up that too. And then, yeah, come.
Where do?
Which one is
Come.
hard yam, Mr. Bennett?
Sit on the hill there.
Oh, this one. It's yellow yam?
No, hard yam.
Never heard of that.
Is that?
The hard yam. I never heard about it before.
How I say? Good.
So guys, all we're putting in this yam here is mulch.
Grass, mulch.
Grass will break down to become mulch. That's it.
So we
No
do.
fertilizer. Then you cover it up and you plant your yam. Right, Mr. Bennett?
Right, ma'am.
So Mr. Bennett is basically just covering it up.
Take with the water. You want to stick right at the edge. Look, like this, you come right at the edge. That, not so far, or two.
Right there?
All right.
And this stick is for what, Mr. Bennett?
That stick is to gauge the hole.
Okay.
That they don't go past the hole that we dig.
Okay. So when you put it on the yame, they know exactly
Where to go, yeah. One piece of stick. That means pass it. Oh. Hey.
We're going to put about 7 yards in there.
Oh, yeah. Let's see how we're going. There it goes. This is the downhill. All day. Anytime I feel like me, I go sleep.
So that's it, guys. Thank you, as usual, for making it a little everything Jamaican. Until next time, blessed love.